Introducing Growoya. An Oya is an innovative gardening tool that waters your plants precisely, automatically, and naturally. It places your gardening on autopilot. Because of the Oya's design, the water travels through the clay directly to the roots of your plants underground. Your plants drink what they need from the Oya, and it lasts them 3 to 5 days from when you fill it up. It takes 3 simple steps to set up your Oya. First, you bury it up to its neck in the middle of your favorite plants. Next, fill it with water. And finally, let your plants grow. The Oya waters your plants anywhere from 1 to 2 feet in each direction, depending on a small, medium, or large Oya. Because there isn't any surface watering, there's no water runoff or surface evaporation. It's also much harder for weeds to grow, leading to a cleaner garden. We've seen the best results with strawberries, tomatoes, bell peppers, chili peppers, potatoes, most nightshades, cucumbers, and salad greens, to name a few. All of this makes your gardening easier, more efficient, and results in healthier plants, all while helping us protect the earth. That is our mission. That is Growoya. Purchase yours today and grow with Growoya.